You said this is a Cambria stone here that won't stain.
Yep.
That's a hell of a nice little island, man.
These cabinets are all actually Italian,
Wow.
and but very, very good price point.
Right.
And then, so this company does all the,
Right.
they install all the appliances to match, and, all that stuff.
Yeah, I know Thermador product well. Worked on them a ton myself on Thermador. Yeah.
So
This is also Thermador flat.
yeah, this is a it's actually an induction stove.
Right.
So,
Yeah, I've worked on many a Thermador.
in California, it's craziness is trying to ban gas.
Right.
It's
Yeah.
It's insane, but
Yeah.
the induction is so good. We use those in Hawaii all the time because there is no natural gas.
Right. Okay.
So you can do propane.
Right.
Propane is not as good as natural gas.
Right.
It burns cooler.
Yeah.
So
And then you got to go keep refilling tanks.
yeah, exactly. So the induction stuff is good. What that does, it's not like an electric stove.
Right.
This never gets hot. So you can have a pan or something on here
Right.
cooking, and it'll heat it really quick and do what you need to do. And you can take it off, and that's cool.
Right.
So that's pretty nice. But yeah, this one's been a big steel superstructure.
Okay.
And then what we do is, this is a commercial flooring, so it's called a Pandex system.
Okay.
So it's like if you see an office buildings being built and things
Right.
like that, it's like a corrugated metal deck,
Okay.
and then they've put a concrete slab,
Right.
fill it with concrete. And so it's built like an office building, really good for sound, really good for fire,
Right.
structurally, all that. And then the Gigacrete system, it's all infill. This is the stuff that Michael hates. but it is what it is. So the point being, Gigacrete wants you to build with the standard sizes
Right.
of panels and modular and all of that, which we've done, and you can do in smaller houses, simple houses, tract
Right.
houses, things like that. But you can also do custom stuff. 99% of the stuff we've done with them has all been custom.
Right. Well, the 10,000 square foot.
Yeah, that was the first
Yeah,
one.
right.
Yeah, that was the first one, and that turned out
Where you
good.
had the curved interior and all that.
Yeah, and we can do that. So that's what I love about Andrew is he's open to
Oh, completely.
doing any of that stuff. Michael, on the other hand, is like,
Oh yeah, I mean, you want to deal primarily with Andrew and
we
his
have
wife.
6-inch panels.
Right,
modules.
yeah.
Use the 6-inch
Yeah.
panel. Going, Michael.
Yeah.
So So anyway, this will be done.
In case I wasn't filming last time, which I hope I was when the camera showed that it wasn't rolling. So hopefully, if I didn't capture the view again. Magnificent view here. This house burned to the ground during these fires. All these hills here, when they get totally dry, they become like a tinderbox.
Oh yeah.
All around here. Yeah. So these houses, all these here, all this was in total peril. You've seen all the stuff on TMZ about the celebrities losing their homes. This is where it was, here and further south.
See the house down there, the kind of modern one?
Right.
Right on the point there. That's Tom Selleck's house.
Oh, that's Selleck there. The tan house there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
The one with it's kind of got
black roofs.
Well, the first part is like black, and then the second part looks like white. And
Yeah, I see it.
And then there's 2 chimneys there.
Yeah, I see it.
That's Tom Selleck.
He got that long ago when it was a song and a prayer. Man.
Yeah, no doubt.
Long ago. Right now, that would be 40 million, maybe.
Yeah, exactly.
40 million.
Yeah, see,
He probably got it when it was probably 1.5.
See, that's the thing. So this house is a little bit under $1,000 a square foot to build.
Right.
But this house is probably worth 15 million.
Oh yeah.
Something like that.
Right.
So they're
Just based on the view. I mean, if you were down here, you add 10 million.
Oh yeah.
If you're on the other side of PCH, add 10 million.
Exactly.
Simple as that. That's how it goes.
That's exactly right.
Yeah. So, you know how he brings you live April 29, 2023 here with James LeCointe. architect specializing in gigacrete and having built for since the beginning in Hawaii and throughout California.
Yep.
So you can get licensed in Georgia, correct? If you wish.
I'm not.
I know, but you can be.
I
at
can
work.
be, yeah. That's,
Yeah, yeah.
It's easy. It's all
Might wanna-
reciprocity.
yeah, we want to look at your
Yeah.
expertise in doing that. So
Sure.
yeah,
Yeah. I'm happy to.
yeah.
That'd be great.